What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Apple has finally released the GM of the iOS 14.3, or if you are calling it the RC, which is release candidate, it is also okay. Apple released RC, but it is formally called Gold Master. So whatever you are calling it, it does not matter, GM or RC. So yeah. So I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro Max on this firmware for past quite few hours, and this device is being really awesome on this firmware. Actually, I didn't expected the difference to be so much from the beta 3 to the RC, which is also known as GM. I'm again saying this. I didn't expected the performance boost so much. The performance boost is a lot, to be honest, because earlier when I used to play Asphalt on my device, it took like 15 seconds to load, which is really less, but right now it is taking like 10 seconds, which is just really mad. And talking about the bugs I'm facing till now is actually not major. It is just few bugs which is right here and there. While scrolling, there was some bugs, and those bugs are also due to app developers because they haven't updated their app to support iOS 14.3. So in terms of bugs, I would give it, let's straight away jump to the scorecard. So in terms of performance, I would give it a 9 out of 10. In terms of bugs, I would give it if there is bugs or not, I would give it 1 out of 10, because there is like in once in 10 times. So I would give it a 1 out of 10. And talking about the performance, I would give it a 9.5 out of 10, because still just looking at this firmware and using it for some time like a normal person, like checking some mails, doing some phone calls, it is performing really awesome on this firmware. And to be honest, let's be honest, I didn't expect it to be such a good firmware, because earlier beta 3 had some issues and the battery issues were also there, whereas now on the Gold Master, Apple has finally listened to us and fixed the battery issues on iPhone 11 Pro. So the public version of this firmware will be out in next 24 hours to 48 hours. So anywhere in next 48 hours you will be able to download this on any device in the world. And if you're a beta tester, then should you update to this or not? Right now, I would say go ahead and do it. And if I'm talking about the public version, if you are watching this video after the public version is out, I would say wait for my review, because of course before jumping from one point version to another like 14.2 to 14.3, always take a review, go from a viewer's perspective, then check some blogs, then finally update your device if it is suitable to your needs. And the reason you are updating your device for like performance boost or battery boost, then is that firmware is going to give you that or not. So I will be doing a video of public version also. I am one of the fastest person to make videos on iOS and make separate videos on other devices supporting iOS firmware. So be sure to subscribe and turn on notification. Till then, peace out, and I'll meet you all in the very next episode.